my dear students. How are you? I hope all are good. Today, let we start SST chapter number 13, producing food. So, in this chapter, you will learn about how to produce food. है ना, कैसे प्रोड्यूस किया जाता है, कैसे वो किया जाता है. देयर आर टू मेन सीजन्स फॉर कल्टिवेटिंग क्रॉप्स इन इंडिया, रबी सीजन एंड खरीफ. रबी की फसल होती है और खरीफ की. वर्ड एग्रीकल्चर इज डिराइव्ड from two Latin words agar, okay, which means fields and culture. So, which means cultivation. Agriculture thus means cultivation of land. Agriculture is the world's most important industry. With the development of agriculture, man's life changed as he became a food producer. Men settled down at one place and learned to live in groups, and this was the beginning of civilization. Early settlements were found near the river valleys because of availability of water for irrigation. Okay, and fertile soil. So early man used tools made of stone. Discovery of metal led to great improvement in the tools issued by the farmers. So these are the tools. What are crops and when are they grown? क्या फसल है और वो कब उगती है. Plants that are grown in a field are called crops. There are two main seasons for cultivating crops in India. These are the Rabi season and Kharif season. Rabi crops are wheat, gram, and peas. They are sown in the months of November to December and harvest between the months of April and June. Kharif crops are rice, maize, and bajra. So they are sown in the months of April to July and harvested in October. Some short duration crops like sunflower, vegetables, and fruits are grown in between the about two crops seasons. These are called zaid crops. Which are the agriculture practices? The food that we eat travels a long journey before it reaches our plates. All the activities which are involved in the cultivation of plants, from preparation of the soil to harvesting of crops, are known as agriculture practices. Tools and implements used for agricultural practice are called agricultural implements. Preparation of soil. Soil is loosened by plowing and harvesting. Loose soil helps in cutting and improves the water holding capacity of the soil. It improves the weeds and kills them. Capacity of the soil. So it improves the weeds and kills them. Farmers use plows made of iron and wood. So earlier animals were used to pull the plow, but nowadays पुराने समय में क्या होता था, बैलगाड़ी से, है ना, जो है बैल हल जोतते थे, उनके पीछे हल बांध दिया जाता था, वो जोतते थे. बट नाउ डेज फार्मर्स यूज ट्रैक्टर्स टू ड्रैग इट अक्रॉस द फील्ड. सी दिस. Soil plank is a tool used to break large pieces of mud. So the flood soil usually gets eroded by wind and water. So the oil is pressed with the help of the process of putting the seeds in the soil is called sowing, है ना, बीज बोना कहते हैं जिसको. Seeds are either scattered by hand or with a seed drill at a correct depth. A variety of seed drills are used for this purpose. Weeding. Weeding is the process of removing unwanted plants which restrict the growth of crops. Weeds compete with the crops for light, space, water, and nutrients. Weeds are removed manually with a trowel, यानी कि खुरपी बोलते हैं जिसको, like this. The growth of weeds can be controlled with the use of weedicides. Irrigation. What is irrigation? Crops in the fields need to be watered at regular time intervals. The application of water to the crops in the field is known as irrigation, यानी कि सिंचाई बोलते हैं जिसको. Farmer use several methods for irrigation their crops. Flood irrigation. Water from canals or tube wells enters in the field and flooded. Furrow irrigation. This method is used where crops are planted in a row. Rifts and furrows are made in the field. Basin irrigation. Plants that need a lot of water watered by this method. The field is made in the form of basin. Sprinkler irrigation. This method involves spraying of water on standing grounds. This method helps in the even distribution of water. It is widely used for gardeners. Application of manure and fertilizers. Manure and fertilizer are added to the soil to provide the required nutrients to the plants. Manure is made from plants and animals waste, while fertilizer are made from chemicals. So like nitrogen, potassium or compost. Once crops begin to grow, they need to be protected from the pests and insects, germicides, insecticides and pesticides are sprayed on the crop with the help of sprayers. है ना? Like this. This should be done with care as excess of chemicals can make the soil infertile. Fences and boundary walls are raised to protect the fields from the stray animals. Harvesting is the process of cutting and gathering of mature crop. है ना? फसल की कटाई from the fields. So harvesting of grain crop is called reaping. A crop must be harvested at the right time to obtain the maximum yield. Harvesting can be manually done using a sickle. Threshing. Crops like rice, wheat and bajra are threshed. ये threshed होते हैं इस तरह से मशीन में. The help of threshing machine manually or by using animals like bullocks and camels. Winnowing. Winnowing is a process that separates grain from chaff. Threshed grains are tossed into air to separate them from chaff. The chaff blows away, begin lighter while the grains fall back on the threshing floor. Storing or grains. Grains are dried completely and then stored safely in containers or sacks in dry places. A large amount of grains are stored in a large containers called silos. Fruits and vegetables are stored in cold storage. Transportation of food items. Food, grains, fruits and vegetables are transported from the fields to the wholesale markets. Ships, trains, buses and trucks are some vehicles used for this purpose. Retailers go to buy food from wholesale markets. Then people buy grains and pulses from nearby grocers, vegetables from green grocery grocers and fruits from fruit sellers. So once the food items are brought to the house, so they are cooked and served to everybody in the family. Thus, this journey of food ends on your plates. Do you know about changing food habits? Food habits of people have changed with time. Earlier, people used to eat seasonal fruits and vegetable fruits like apple and orange were available only winters and watermelons could be had only in summers. ठीक है. अब nowadays there are available throughout the year. पूरे साल मिलते हैं अब ये. This has been made possible due to the advancement in technology, modern techniques of transportation, storage facilities and preservation of. Earlier people used to eat more homemade snacks. Nowadays ready-made food like burgers, pizzas, french fries and chow mein have become very popular. So aerated drinks have replaced traditional drinks. Fast food or junk food has replaced traditional food. Fast food lacks nutrients and it's costlier than the traditional foods. So the changing food habits have affected the local farmers also. As the demand for traditional food item is reducing day by day. So the farmers prefer to grow cash crops and flowers. Why do food habits differ in different regions? India has many states and union territories. People living in different regions eat different types of food. So the type of our food depends upon the landforms, climate and the crops growing in the region we live in. Major food grains grown in different regions are the following. North India, rice. East India, rice. South India, millets and wheat. Hilly areas, maize. Okay. And coastal areas, rice. These different food grains are used to make different types of food items. So let us read about popular food in some states of India. Regions and food items. So राजस्थान वेस्ट इंडिया में कौन कौन से फूड्स हैं? दाल बाटी चूरमा, गट्टे की सब्जी, लाल मांस, घेवर, मूंग दाल हलवा. Jammu and Kashmir, North India. Okay. Rogan Josh, Gushtaba, Yakini, Dam Aloo and Firni. West Bengal, East India. Mache Jhol, Gugni, Begun Bhijia, Rasgulla, Sandesh, Mishti Doi. Tamil Nadu, South India. Idli, dosa, vada, sambar, payasam and upma. So these are the foods of different regions. Okay. So the all topics are covered in this chapter. I hope you all are very well understand this. We will meet you the next class.